Hey guys, it's a cat playing the piano. That's funny.
That's a reference. Is that a callback?
Is that a callback to YouTube in 2001?
What?
Try more like 2008.
No,
Do you guys
definitely it
think-
was like
That was
1960 or
funny.
something. I think
Do you
YouTube
think
came
if
out.
YouTube was around in 2001, people would be like making like vlogs for 9/11?
I would be making a vlog. I would have been 1
Okay.
years old, but I still would have been vlogging.
Nah, fuck the tutorial. We don't need it all.
I came out the womb with a GoPro on my head.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
I came out the womb dumb as shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's
so
up, Katie?
just answer the question. Just answer the question.
Oh, okay. I'll answer the question.
And so was these answers? So our answer is gonna go to somebody else, and then you have to create a new prompt, and that like pretend like that's our response to your new prompt. So
The
if
point
someone
of this
said,
game is to make people look like terrible people.
yeah, exactly. The point of the game is to make everyone look like a dumb, stupid, terrible human being.
But you don't have to be funny yet. You don't have to be funny for the first part.
I already was. I can't help it.
You can.
Funny.
You're allowed to, but you don't have to.
It's just internal. I
Wow.
can't stop talking a British
And so
accent.
now you have to make a. So these are comments for crowdfunding campaigns. So keep that in mind.
I'm not entirely sure what crowdfunding is.
It's like a
It's like a-
Kickstarter.
Kickstarter, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's very funny when other people are awful and I'm great.
Yeah.
My help. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Bobbies.
That's a good Kickstarter.
$23,000 donated for that one.
Yeah.
Piss here.
Oh no.
The cure all.
I'm just laughing at the schizophrenia one. Absolute fucking maniac. I hate this.
I just imagine in like a Brooklyn accent.
Yay! I don't think I spelled schizophrenia
Absolute
right.
fucking maniac. I hate this
Probably
guy.
didn't.
He fucking sucks. He's the worst.
The question I got to respond like that was, how would you describe Donald Trump to an alien?
Oh my god.
Got it.
I fucking hate this guy.
True.
I fucking hate this guy.
Wait, who's Nino? I wonder who everyone is. Okay.
I'm Srepit.
Okay, cool.
Hola, niño.
Hola,
Hola,
niño.
hola, muchacholatas. That's an accent.
Hola, muchachalatas.
Ah,
And then
This is
Spencer
like-
throw
this is like-
bagel.
espero que
now-
tengas un mal día,
Now it's like a
puto.
Yelp review.
Ah.
I got a really weird prompt.
Same.
Just write a brief review of your microwave. What?
Mine was write a review of my bed in 3 words, and I didn't know
Mine's
what.
write a brief review of the underwear you're currently wearing, and yours is spelled wrong. YOUR''RE. Your.
Your.
You are underwear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Underwear?
Let's go.
Underwear?
What?
I got it.
Underwear?
Oh, got him. Yeah.
The one time someone tried to get me with that joke, I was too stupid to understand it, and I failed it.
Nice.
You know how sometimes cats sleep with their like head fully like down and into the bed?
Make
Mhm.
Appa's doing
Are we
that right
doing it?
now
Oh
and
my
it's
God,
making
oh
me
my
laugh.
gosh.
I'm gonna try to take a picture of her. I'm gonna try.
Picture.
Oh,
I
she
cannot
moved
think
as
of a
soon as I
funny-
approached her. She
Oh my
moved.
gosh.
It
You
It
can't
was so
approach them.
cute.
Glamour?
Like, yeah, no, I can't. Uh-oh. That's
all
not a
funny,
good
it
sign.
is. No, it's good.
Oh god.
Oh!
True.
True.
What the fuck?
like how it's coming from Nino.
Yeah.
Cancel, not cool.
If a little stinky. Oh my god.
What was the prompt for that?
Describe your dream house.
I know who that was.
Sorry.
You're allowed to laugh.
You're coping, it's fine.
True.
Leave me the fuck alone. I'm hurt.
How we will suffer together.
My life be like ooh, ooh. Yeah.
I can't think of a funny.
Same.
Yeah.
It's a hard one.
Knock hope.
Box and we'll make them.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh.
okay.
Oh,
Oh.
0 stars too.
Oh my god.
Who's doing that in a toilet? What?
Oh, I knew someone was gonna go there.
You just gotta be funny.
That's all you have to do.
Yeah.
I'm going to, after this game. Okay, this will be my last game then. Because I have homework. I
Yeah.
need to get shit out of my car.
Catie and herself.
Trust me.
Oh my god.
Okay, Dan Schneider.
Oh
I agree with the statement.
Yeah.
no. That's just you.
Yeah.
That's something Angie would say.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's one of those posts where you like your own post.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like, first comment is gay, and they spelled something wrong, and so they comment
Yeah.
and correct it.
Right now, I'm not gay.
Plot twist, you do that, except you comment first on purpose. Yeah.
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 Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Katie just got home.
Pock?
She wants to play a video game.
No, she's not allowed.
Yeah, no Katie. Only me.
That
Yeah,
hurt
only
my
Katie.
feelings.
Just kidding, Katie.
Oh, she's here.
Katie's on Katie.
I've been here.
She has been here.
Aw.
She's been here unmuted muted this whole time. And as we've been
Aw.
making fun of her.
Absolutely dwarf.
Oh, I got 3rd place now. That happens.
You're out of the podcast.
No,
Oh, I won!
GG.
I spaced out for a second there and I won. Gladly.